Welcome, kindergarten. This is our first official writing video since we have started our Google Classroom. This is pretty exciting. So I want to go ahead and first start off with what is opinion writing. This is not something that we have learned before. If you think back to when we were doing writing in the classroom, we were working on narratives, which is when we started with a beginning, a middle, and an end of a story, right? We thought of a setting or a background for our story, and then we went ahead and we were telling the story and going into details about what happened next and how did it end. This is a different type of writing that we are going to be doing, okay? So I have posted our writing worksheet for you on the Google Classroom. If you have access to a printer and want to print out a few copies of those so you can work throughout the week, you can. If you do not have access to a printer, that is okay. All you need is a blank piece of paper to draw your top line, your midline, and your baseline. Okay? So, moving on with today's video, opinion writing. Has anyone ever asked you before for your opinion? That's a big word. Everyone say opinion with me. Ready? On the count of three. 1, 2, 3, opinion. Has anyone asked you for your opinion before? Sometimes if somebody asks you for your opinion, they're normally asking you if you like something or if you do not like something. Okay? That's your opinion, right? And your opinion may be different from mine or from your mom's or from your brother's or from your grandma's, right? So I may like pizza, okay? And say, my sister, she doesn't like pizza, but that's okay. That's her opinion, all right? Is anyone's opinion wrong? No, right? Because it's what you believe. All right. So moving on to opinion writing, I'm going to pull up our worksheet here and I'm going to show you how you can do opinion writing at home. All right. So here's our worksheet. You know that you put your name up top and the date in your little box. Okay. We're going to go ahead and write first and then you can go back and draw your picture. Okay. So, when we are doing opinion writing, I want you to start off. Remember how when we were doing our narratives, I made you write 3 sentences? Well, for opinion writing, we need 2. Okay? Your first sentence, you're going to tell me your opinion. Okay? So, maybe one of the writing prompts throughout the week ask you what your favorite food is. Okay, so Miss Wickstrom's gonna write here as her first sentence, I like salad. Okay, so this is my opinion. Does everybody like salad? No, but Miss Wickstrom does. Okay, so here's my opinion. I like salad. Alrighty, and this is the end of my sentence. So what do I need at the end? Think way, way back to when we were in the classroom. Right? We need a period. That's the end of our sentence. And look, I notice how I started my sentence with my capital letter here. Okay, so here's sentence number 1 of opinion writing. I like salad. Now, after you give me your opinion, okay? And it can be whatever. It can be pizza or spaghetti or pasta, or apples, whatever your favorite food is, okay? Say that's our writing prompt. Then you need to tell me why. So why is this your favorite food? Why is Miss Wickstrom like salad? So I like salad because it's good for you. So I like salad. My second sentence is going to say, it is good for you. And as always, you're going to end your sentence with a period. All right, so that is the end of my second sentence here. And that's all we need for opinion writing. Your first sentence states your opinion, and then your second sentence tells me why, okay? Now, friends, like I was saying before, do you have to like salad? No, it's just Miss Wickstrom's opinion, okay? Then I would go ahead and draw, maybe myself up here eating a salad. So for this week, obviously I want you watching this video. Then I'm going to go ahead and post some writing prompts for you. Okay, I want you to go ahead and practice your opinion writing. I need 2 sentences from you. All right? All right, go ahead and check out the writing prompts that I have posted for you. If you need help as you're writing, come back to this video or send me a message, send me an email, and I will be happy to help you. Okay? All right, enjoy the rest of your day.